we're going to read our story now. We're going to say, what sounds can you hear and how are they made? Read about two children who hunt for a sound. We talked about sound at the beginning of the year and the different sounds that things make. So let's see what they're talking about. Tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat. What's that sound? Asked Gilbert. It started early this morning. I thought it might stop, but it hasn't. Let's check out the garage, said Marta. I think Dad is making the sound. The sound of tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat. Zing, zing, zing. Dad was in the garage cutting a board with his saw. Zing, zing, zing. That is not the sound, said Gilbert. This sound is smoother. So they're looking for tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat. Let's find Gramps, said Marta. He might be making the sound. They quickly ran to the back of the house to find Gramps. That's their grandpa. Gramps was sweeping the deck with a broom. Swish, swish, swish. No, this is not the sound, said Gilbert. This sound is much softer. Swish, swish, swish. We call those sound words, don't we? Let's find Anna instead, said Marta. Maybe she's making the sound. They found Anna in the driveway. Anna was bouncing a ball. Bam, bam, bam. No, bam, zing, swish. They're thinking. No, this is not the sound, said Gilbert. This sound is slower. Ah, this is hopeless, sighed Marta. Tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat. There it is again, said Gilbert. He looked up at the tallest tree. Suddenly, he shouted, "Oh, wow! It's a bird!" Look at the color on its head, cried Marta. It's red, like a red crown. The bird scrambled up and down the tree. Tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat. Tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat. It's a woodpecker pecking for bugs, said Gilbert. Yes, said Marta, and nothing else sounds like it. Tap, 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 rat-a-tat-tat. If you go outside today, or if you're sitting in your house today, I want you to listen for the sounds that you hear. You can text me and tell me, what sounds did you hear? Okay, so think about it